What's up, guys? I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today I want to talk about how to set up a delay and how to use it in your mixes. I use delay in almost all my mixing sessions. The delay effect can be used in various ways, creative ways, to create more space and depth in your mix. Now I'm going to show you really quick how to set up a delay effect in Pro Tools. Here I have a synth track and I want to add some delay to it. There are different ways of using the delays, but I'm going to show you two ways and you can decide which one is better for you. The first way of setting up a delay is to insert the delay plugin directly on the track you want to apply the delay effect. So let's insert it on the track. Let's play a bit. The delay is synced with the tempo of this session. Let's get the dry wet knob to 9% or 10% to hear the effect. Here you can choose the time of your delay, but also the feedback, or how long you want to hear the delay. You can also play with the low-pass filter in here, also the modulation, to create some cool delay effects. Let's listen. So this is one way of using the delay. Another way of using the delay is to create an auxiliary track and to send some synth signal to the auxiliary track, which will be our delay effect track. I'm going to bypass the delay plugin here. To make things quicker, click on Sends, New Track, select Stereo, Aux Input, and rename the track to Delay. As you can see, the input bus of the delay track is also named Delay, which helps you find much easier the necessary bus, say if you want to use the same delay for another track. Now, let's insert the same delay plugin on the aux track. This is the fader that controls how much of the synth track I'm sending to the delay track. So, let's listen. There you go. You have two ways of setting up a delay. You should apply the one that fits more for your session or for your needs. If you have other techniques, share with us in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You can visit us at adoriani.com or you can visit our Facebook page to say hi. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.